course it was. This is what it's like once we get it fixed. Then it rips.
Do a little test to see what this kitty can do. Hold her to the bar, let her eat, see what happens.
But today, this is what happened.
Hey, I took my sled back to the trail here. She's kaput. Riding with a different group of guys today. I've ridden with Bade before, Trent, but yeah, we'll see how the day brings. It's supposed to be sunny, so I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be a wicked day. Got a little bit of snow. Gonna be awesome. Ooh, some stumps. Can't see anything up here. Woo! Got a little bit of snow. I wouldn't say a reload, but we could just be on the portion with all of the wind. We're gonna try and get into some pockets and see what we can figure out. Maybe it'll be a bit deeper. Boom! His reeds might be toast, actually. Yeah, blew him out. The mission was to kind of keep going back past Sugar Bowl, but that ain't happening. If the visibility is not good enough, so we're going to turn around and then just go into the trees by the cabin, I think. That's why this iPhone's superior. Yeah, send it. Oh, I didn't actually think you were coming this way. Come on. Nice. Snow's so sticky. We're having a bog issue, so we're gonna change these plugs. They don't look dicked, but what else would you do? I don't know till you know for sure. Buy a do. I got a do. I actually got a long this the exhaust valves are moving.
because I know that these can, you can't see much in there, but I know that those can have an issue. But we are cooking down there. Bend over. So we're gonna try these plugs and hopefully fix her up.
We're having a bit of a bogging issue. I couldn't get any RPM, so we changed the plugs. Well, we're not really in a great spot for testing anything, but I don't want to keep going down too much if it's gonna mess up. I know, I'm still doing her. Dang. No. I don't know what the heck's going on. Took out the throttle safety switch. Let's gonna see if it works out. No. That's way worse, whatever that is. God, this looks like a sick hill to try stuff. Too bad I'm not doing anything. No good. We are not getting any RPM, and it is not working out, and we kind of went into the shit a little bit here. Big holes. I'm just gonna try and get it out of here, I think. Poor sled. Poor snow machine. Dude, I almost didn't make it out. No.
You were fighting with that.
Well, I was only getting like 6,000 RPM. I don't know what. It must be those exhaust valves or something.
Did anyone let him know?
Hey, Baden or anybody else, you got a copy?
Yeah, buddy, go ahead.
Hey, I took my sled back to the trail here. She's kaput. Or something of the sort, anyway.
Are you coming up here, Baden? We'll regroup and figure out a plan.
Yeah, we can all come up here. We gotta work on getting cold, buddy. Here.
Ow. That's hot.
Another body down there?
You know, I think there's enough men in this hole right now. Everybody come down. Especially Evan.
Bring the cat back down.
We ended up calling the day early. Unfortunately, this thing is having some issues. It's it's getting 7,000 RPM a bog, and yeah, it's not doing very good. The views are top notch. We were gonna go from the cabin through the trees to the trail. That would have been a wicked ride. This side of the mountain is just sun. Wicked. We're still it hasn't fixed itself yet. That's all we got. At least we're still running though. But yeah, that's all she wrote on that. I honestly kind of think that the exhaust valve, like the actuator arm and everything, it was all moving. So I don't know if the actuator itself kind of gave way. I'm not familiar enough with that system, but it seems like the engine part's fine, but maybe the exhaust valves or something like that aren't doing everything that they should be doing. Yeah. So far it seems like we're going to make it to the bottom though, so that's cool. Woo! Ramping. Full power, baby.
As you can see, we made her down. It's kind of just shitty, but I think it kind of just seems like it's exhaust valves. It didn't try and burp or blow up or anything like that. It just has no jam. So I think just exhaust valves or something like that, and it's not letting her have any ever. So yeah, that'll be the end of her. It's going to be a short video, obviously, because yeah, we didn't really do anything, but sled messed up, and that'll be her. Hopefully we'll get her fixed up. Hey guys, after further inspection of that sled there, once I got it down, I kind of had the hood off. I could take my time and look at things. It did actually end up being those the clamps on the actuators for the exhaust valves. I'll post it in here, but if you look real close, I'll try and zoom in, and the one isn't moving. It's just kind of slightly tinging a little bit, but I got it in to call the boys at Shuswap Xtreme. They got me in right away and was fixed same day. So ultimate experience with them. So if anybody has any issues with cast stuff, or I know they sell some dirt bikes, some Kawasaki, some Beta. If you got any issues, those guys are great to deal with. Highly recommend. But yeah, they got me back on the hill, and that thing's ripping now. And I'll show you that one in the next one. But yeah, she's good to go. I'm actually really impressed. Right on.